Hello, you're welcome. My name is Henry, and you are at HTech-Academy YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. In this video, we are going to be learning font formatting and text basic. Now, I specifically made some text examples over here so as for us to better understand how to format our fonts. So looking at this exercise, you notice some words, some of the letters, some of the words here are of different sizes and are of different fonts and of different colors. So, we'll play with this following text. Okay, first is the font style. For the font type, for us to make this effect, first we have to select the text. Okay, now this is a font type. Looking here, you can see different fonts, different customized fonts. So you have to just scroll, okay, and make selection of whatever font you want. So I want to make a pretty obvious font. Okay, let me go with this. Okay, next is the font size. Clicking on this drop down, you see scrolling down increases the font size. Going up also decreases the font size. You can also use this icon to increase and to decrease. Okay, so let's increase it to 24. The next is to change the case. Changing the case is the icon located at the front command row. Now, changing case, clicking at the drop down, you have the center case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word. But if we click upper case, you notice that it changed every letter to a capital letter. So you can go on and increase the font size. You can also change the font type. Let's change it to Algeria. So the next is clear formatting. Okay, clear formatting is an icon that resets the font or the document to its initial state. Let's say I change this to this font type and I increased it, okay, and I make it capitalized each word. Then I want to clear format, so this is the icon for it. When I click here, what happens? It takes it back to the initial format. Okay, the initial format of the document. Same thing here. If I clear format this, what happens? It goes back to its initial state. If I clear format this, same thing happen. So I'll click Ctrl Z to undo all I've just done. Next is the font fold. So when you highlight our text, this is the icon for bold. When we press bold, notice it thickens the letters. Okay, let me enlarge it. Now you can see it thickens it. Okay, the next one is the italic. When you click the italic, okay, what happened? It made it a little bit slant. So let me increase so we can see what's going on here. Find out that it is being slanted. The next is the text on the line. Okay, let's increase it. Okay, on the line, notice something. A line comes under. Okay, we also have the strike through. This is the strike through. We'll press it. The line, let me enlarge it so we can see. Find out the line crosses. Okay, the next is the subscript. Now, to understand what the subscript means, let me write the common H2O. Now, I want this 2 to be a subscript. I will highlight the 2 and I will press subscript. Notice what happens here. The 2 comes under. Now, let me highlight it also, we can see it more. So 2 comes under. Another example, I can say X 2. Let me say I want this 2 to be under. I just have to highlight it and I press this. It goes under. The next thing is the superscript. Superscript is the opposite of a subscript. Let's say I write X2. I want this 2 to be on top. I highlight it and I click subscript. So what will you notice? It comes up. So if I select it and I increase the font, okay. Now the next is the font style and effect. What this does, let's see, when I select the text, okay, first let me increase the font size. So we proceed now. Clicking here, let's click at the thumbnail. You notice, okay, it shows us a preview of some font effects or font style. Now, when you click around, notice the texture of the text changes. Okay, it changes. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, let me enlarge it more so we could see. Now, still clicking it, it also have the outline. Okay, this we could change the color of the outline. Okay, as you can see, we could change it. Let's put it with yellow. Still clicking on it, it also gives us other options. It gives us the shadow options. It gives us the reflection options, the glow, and etc. So we'll just keep it simple for now. Okay. Next is the text highlights. Does is let me also increase the font size. Okay. So when I click on this icon, text highlights color, what happens is it shows a highlight color to the text. Okay. If I click on this drop down, I also have other colors. I can make it red by selecting it. When I select it, I can go over here, make it red. Now we're going to be talking about the font color. The font color has to do with the color of our alphabet. So to to have access on the font color, simply select, okay, the text or the paragraph or whatever content you want to effect the font color on. You select it this way. You go to the font command group. Now to the last icon here, on it says change the color of your text. So we click on it. We could choose any color of our choice. Okay, for this exercise, I will go with red. Okay, noticed how the color of the text has changed. Let me make it a little bit bigger so you can see. I can also go, I can change the color to blue. I can also change the color to green.